Why do you yawn when you see someone else yawn, even if you are not feeling tired?
The old belief was that we yawn to take in more oxygen, but modern science has completely debunked that idea.
Yawning is actually a simple biological cooling mechanism to regulate the temperature of your tired brain. Think of your head as a computer CPU. When it works hard, it heats up, affecting your overall performance. The massive jaw stretch rapidly increases blood flow, which sends a rush of cooler air directly to the brain. Yawning is highly contagious because of empathy. Your brain processes it as a key social signal. Your mirror neurons trigger you to mimic the action, preparing your brain for the same environmental change.
Excessive yawning, however, can be a symptom of extreme sleep deprivation or a more serious medical issue.
The simple act of yawning proves that your body is constantly running silent, internal maintenance checks.
Yawning can actually improve your focus. It temporarily increases alertness and decreases mental grogginess immediately. To stop a contagious yawn from spreading, just press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth easily.
The biggest myth is that yawning is solely triggered by tiredness. It is mainly a thermal regulator.
Hit subscribe now to learn more amazing hacks and facts about the complex human machine.
Stay smart, stay curious. We explore the human machine every week.